activity one, who I will upload the Excel file. Okay, show accounting data. I will upload it here, and I will use the prompt in the activity one. For example, the first one is, you are an AI financial assistant, summarize total spend by expense, list top 3 category, and recommend the best chart with providing access and title. I just put it here and I click on submit. Here the AI or ChatGPT will analyze the data. Of course, I'm using a paid version. Maybe in the free version, like Hosni said, it will not provide a chart, but I think it should generate a chart. Okay, so it have marketing, utilities, shipping, blah blah blah, with recommendation. Then I will go again to the file. Again, take this prompt. A senior financial specialist for each transaction. Give one sentence commentary, flag suspicious entry, and recommend an action. Expected columns to fin AI commentary class suggest action. The API is criteria, guys. Here, when you have 90% of flag entries reviewed by team, the average time to analyze the transaction is less than 1 time, and flag rate optional, it's about less than 20%. All the KPI targets, it depends on your business. Okay, so I am just making a dummy data to make it as an API, but in your real case scenario, it should be different. Okay, so again, I am putting now the same as a finance analyst, and it should analyze again the file that I already uploaded for suspicious entries, and what's next for an action. Is it to approve this transaction or investigate more, since maybe it's flagged as a flagged issues, or escalate to another let's say department or maybe person. So after that, I will go to again the sheet and act as a finance manager based on this data, summarize top area, high rate risk, and anomalies. So I pasted here also, and I click on next or go. Then it make a top spending areas, risk and anomalies. Okay, so now before going to publish to AppSheets, or this information to AppSheets, now I will ask the AI to prepare data. Those data will be copied to the sheets, and then the app sheet will create the mobile app that we can distribute it. So I need to instruct the AI by, I need to create an app to display the data from your analysis. Of course, you can set what let's say what field you need to for example to provide it in the application. For example, I will go with the expense type or expenses type, and amount, payment method, and transaction date. So it should return now a table. This table I have to copy it directly. Okay, so the article is blah blah blah. Okay, the AI got me wrong, because when I told him I need an app, so it understands it's a, let's say, an application. So it's coding application. Now I will provide different scenarios. I will just need to copy this. I need to, okay, I need to send your analysis to my higher managers. So I managers, so I instruct you to have the data, from your analysis ready for Google Sheets as follow. Okay, now I should have the data. Then I need to go. Okay, so I click on download. Or click on open again. Okay, But guys, here there is, let's say, a big mistake. Since the original one has expenses type, amount, payment method, and transaction date, there is no analysis. So I need to add analysis. So in the data analyzed by you, I need the analysis pattern for all transactions categorized, or let's say segmented by categories. Okay, because I don't need the raw data. I need the AI analysis data based on those transactions. And now I will have, let's say, the data here. Oh. So I have is the marketing, total amount, average amount, max amount, min amount, suspicious, total transaction, and suspicious percentage. I can just copy this data, okay? Copy this data entirely and go to Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, I need to go to new spreadsheet. In the sheet, I just click on the below and click on paste. It seems it does not copy it. Okay, again, I will download the file, open. Okay, after it's open, I need to copy and go to Sheets again. Click on it, paste. Okay, so I have those data. Now I just need to go to extension, app sheets, and create an app. Okay, I will wait a bit. Now it's setting up the app. The most important in the app sheet is you can share with anyone. So you can share with the hire manager, we can share with you. So you have all the data on your mobile. So imagine, I don't need to customize. So it's syncing. Yes, I have the marketing. If I click on marketing, I have total amount, average amount, max amount, min amount, and even suspicious count till the end. I can also select anyone. Maybe I can delete. If I need to delete, are you sure to delete? Yes, delete. So when I delete, it deletes also from the Google Sheets. Of course, here it's about permissions. So maybe I can send to some with permission only to read, not to delete or to edit. Same for to add. I can here add. I can add a new one. If I need to make those expenses report, I can search and I can refresh to get the new data. Okay. And if we click on this, it's about, it is, let's say, like the mobile application, it's about feedback, share, blah, blah, blah. So it's just about a link that you can use it to share it with any other people. Of course, for the advanced people that work with development, you can customize it like whatever you want. So if I can add it, maybe I can click on calendar. That's mean I have all this data by date or by month, by week, it depends. Or I have a deck, or I have a table. So it depends on what I need to show. It's about details, maybe mapping to know exact the location, maybe in France, in USA, in Lebanon. So it depends, or charts. We can also have it, or maybe a dashboard. So it's an entries that you can let's say customize as you want. Okay, so this is actually the video of the activity one. You can try it.